All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, we got a nice update on the release of the Mavic Mini 2. We have more leaked photos and leaked information that we haven't heard before or haven't seen before. So I just pulled this up on the DJI forum, and someone named Tide had posted it. I'm not sure where the information originated from, so I can't give credit to that. However, this is where I got the information from. So apparently someone has been able to purchase the Mavic Mini 2 and post some pictures and everything on it. And to start off, here is the specs. Here are the specs on the new Mavic Mini 2, or should I say the DJI Mini 2, because I believe they are simplifying the name now and just naming it Mini 2. And you'll see it in the pictures below in just a second. So to start off, it is going to be remaining at 249 grams. It has a 31-minute max flight time. And here's the kicker. Here's the big kicker. It's going to have OcuSync 2.0 and with a range of 10 kilometers. Now that's equivalent to what the Mavic Air 2 has. So that's pretty, that will definitely give you a strong signal for those who actually wanted that. I'm pretty much sure everyone wanted that, wanted OcuSync on the Mavic Mini 2, and they got it. So it has a wind level resistance, or wind resistance level of 5. It should be able to withstand 8.5 through 10.5 meters per second winds. And I have to do the conversion for that because I don't know that right offhand. And it'll also have a 4K video, 4K resolution. That's another big thing that everyone put on their wish list. So there you go, you have it. Now, as far as the camera specs, it looked like the camera specs, other than the resolution, has remained the same. Now, here are some photos. Some images of it. You can see the box here, and you can see the controller has changed. It has the same controller as the Mavic Mini, or as the Mavic Air 2. And if I can't click on here, and here are the specs on the side of the box. Can't really enlarge that. And then here, some information, some more photos of the remote, and you can see the old remote behind it, and then the box. And notice the name, DJI Mini 2. Now the form factor appears to be the same. Nothing's really changed, and from what I'm seeing on here, is that the only updates were to the camera resolution and the transmission. And then also here are some more photos of the camera. Now, I'm recording this on my phone. I'm not able to get to my laptop right now, but hopefully this will suffice, and there will be more information on the Mavic Mini 2 as it comes out. So scrolling back up to, let's see here. Let's scroll down here. Now, as you can see, there's not going to be any obstacle avoidance. As you can see on the front side, there is no obstacle avoidance. Everything remains the same. So I hope this, so there you have it. Some more images of the Mavic Mini 2. Like I said, these are images I got off the DJI forum. Now, with these images, they appear to be authentic. So, you're never 100% sure until it's released by DJI that this is the actual Mavic Mini 2. But these are photos that are floating around there right now, and I just wanted to get it out to you guys. And if this is all true, then many people will be pleased at what they are getting on the Mavic Mini, because the transmission and the resolution was the biggest item on everyone's wish list. So with that said, I'm going to end this right here, and I'm just going to ask you to, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also there will be more information on the Mavic Mini 2 as it comes out. And also I am planning on purchasing the Mavic Mini 2 to test it out. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up to date. Also the notification bell, ring that notification bell so you know the next time I post a video. But until then, guys, you guys be easy, fly safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.